Coping with stress is probably one of my biggest struggles. I need a way to remind myself of healthy ways to manage stress. So today I'm going to be making an insert that is going to go in my long-term collections section, and it's going to list different ways that I can cope with stress that are easy and quick to do. The activities that I chose are mostly supported by research. For example, writing down what I'm grateful for. Researchers from UC Davis and the University of Miami found that participants who wrote down what they were grateful for had a much more positive outlook on life and sense of well-being than the control group. Watch a baby animal video. Seeing something cute like baby animals triggers a dopamine release, often called the feel-good hormone, in our brains. Listen to an inspiring song. A 2013 meta-analysis of 400 research studies concluded that music can improve the quality of your health and decrease anxiety levels. My husband and I love to use peppermint and sandalwood essential oils. To me, the scent of these oils can be very calming. Play with a pet. According to a 2012 meta-analysis of 69 studies, spending time with a pet releases oxytocin, which is a hormone associated with feelings of bonding, closeness, and has also been found to decrease the release of cortisol, a hormone associated with stress. This one says play with a pet, and I'm actually getting a new pet hamster this week, so I'm very excited about that. I have been wanting a hamster for several years now, and I finally got the opportunity to get one. I am so excited to introduce you to Oliver. So the idea of this is that when I'm feeling stressed out, I can turn to this page in my planner and look at the different options for ways that I can feel better in less than 5 minutes or within 5 to 60 minutes. And if one of these doesn't work, then I can try out a different option on here until I find something that helps relieve my stress. I really hope that this video gave you some ideas for maybe stress management, or even just using up your stickers and creating new inserts for your planner. If you'd like to see more planner ideas, please check out my Instagram at personalizemyplanner, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!